Meaning of deterministic.
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 Deterministic. The term deterministic refers to a system or process that produces the same output for a given input every time it is run. In other words, the outcome of a deterministic system is entirely determined by its initial conditions and the rules governing its behavior. This predictability makes deterministic systems particularly useful in fields such as cryptography, where consistency and security are of utmost importance. However, it is worth noting that not all systems are deterministic, and many real-world phenomena are inherently random and unpredictable.